Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing this beautiful eye makeup look that is perfect. The perfect cool tone, kind of smoky eye with a soft cut crease, which is just always amazing, especially if you have hooded eyes. So if ever you want to know how I did this beautiful makeup look, please make sure to watch all the way to the end, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and more. So let's get into this makeup look. Makeup, makeup, makeup. A cool tone little makeup look. It could be a smoky look if you want. It could be anything. It is just a very simple, cool toned look for any day of the week or even the holidays if you want, because the holidays are coming and I'm so excited. Even though I feel like, I don't know, this year is so weird. I don't feel like I'm really in the mood of the holidays. It's just weird this year. I don't know. But we're gonna go into makeup, and that's always super fun. So I already prepped my whole entire face, my eyes as well. All the products are gonna be listed down below if ever you want to know what I put on my eyes and on my face. But we're gonna go into the nude model palette from MAC Cosmetics, and maybe something else like a bit of singles or like other eyeshadows. If it pops in my mind, I'll just tell you guys. Little transition shade. We're gonna go into this one, which is Sandstone. This one right here, super cute. I feel like we went in Les Artistes already, but I was like, I need to do it again. And I kind of want to do a round shape for today because I don't know, I've been doing a lot of like winged and all of these things, so maybe like just a round cute shape is just gonna be there for the holidays. What I like to do, especially with my hooded eyes, like I recommend this to everybody that has hooded eyes, it's just, you just literally look like this in your mirror. You know, like when they tell you to do your mascara like this, you do your eyeliners like this, you just do your entire makeup like this, and it's just, you know, the sharpness of your eyes, it's just gonna be increased. Look at that. Look at how contoured my eye look. It's just a whole lot of level. And then I take another brush and I'm just gonna fluff the outside out so it doesn't look as sharp and as crazy as it is right now, because this is just insane and it is kind of intense. I'm going like in the inner corner, for example, at the outer corner under the brows, and then the look just looks softer overall, which is what I want, because if it isn't soft, we're gonna have big traces on our eyelids, and I definitely do not like that. Then I'm like, should I go into the very dark color at the moment? I'm like, let's go into it, and I feel like I want to go into that one. This is Dance in the Dark. It's gonna fit, obviously it's in the same row. The reason why I'm not going with this middle one right here is because this is more on the warmer kind of tones, and I don't want to go towards these types of colors because we want to stay within the cool tone. It is cold outside, the snow, everything, so we want to stay within that realm of things, that realm of color. Little teeny tiny brush, because the dark colors we really want to be precise, so this is just a Morphe M431 brush, and going into that dark shade in the corner of the eye. Look, see, I just opened my eyes and look, there's a line, so like I need to feel that line because we don't like the lines. And you pat even in the crease. We want not too much, you know, we want kind of like a small smoky that is not black. You know, a smoky eye doesn't have to be black. You can use the same techniques that I'm doing right now, but you can use colors, you can use black, you can use very soft colors, as long as you smoke an eyeshadow out, like you blend it, it's gonna be like a smoky eye. There's different types of smoky eye. You have traditional, which is like the entire eyelid with another color if you want, or just straight up black. You have the size if you want. There's so many possibilities with smoky eyes. And then I create a a C shape, and it's just gonna really enhance the natural curvature of my eye. I'm trying to use big words over here. And then I bring it a little tiny bit into the sandstone shade by blending it, and I'm just bringing it forward a little bit. If you look up close, it's going to be a little tiny bit patchy because I'm just striking. Usually that's what I do with a bit darker colors. I just strike it, and then I use another fluffy brush, which is the one that I showed you earlier. So then I'm blending it into the sandstone shade because I don't want any of the patchiness. And you know, sorry, it's itchy. You know, if ever you think that it's too high, you don't like the color, you can always add another color on top, or you can add something like very light that is matte, and then you can blend it to really reduce the amount of smokiness or the darkness of the shadow. I could technically go for like a halo eye. That's what I'm gonna do next time. I'm gonna do a halo eye. I didn't do a halo eye in so long. Because on my eyes is just so weird. My eyelids are so droopy. I don't even bother. Usually I don't. I'm like, oh, this is not the type of eyeshadow for my eyelid, but I really want to do one now. All right, so now I kind of blended everything, and I felt like I wanted to go a little bit more into the gray for the eyelid. I don't want to go too much into sandstone. I feel like this color right here, this is called like Cozy Gray. It is such a beautiful color. I'm like, I want to try it. And you know, I just want to tell you guys, if I end up like in the middle, like not in the middle of the screen anymore, it's because I'm standing up. I have decided that from now on, I am just going to be standing up to do my videos because I am sitting for way too long all day long. So I need to stand up. All right, so Cozy Gray is going to be put right in here. I'm just putting it on the eyelid for now. And oof, this is a very, very beautiful color that is needed if you want to do like, whoops, a cool tone smoky eye. I feel like this is the perfect color. Then taking this fluffy brush and just going in it and then blending the whole thing, and then adding a little bit because sometimes, you know, you want to go back and forth. And I noticed that, oh my god, this is something that I noticed, is that the difference between a MAC brush versus Morphe, oh my god. It's like the pigment didn't want to stick on my eyelid, and now it does. Sandstone at first looked extremely cool tone on my skin, but then now next to these other colors, it doesn't look very cool tone anymore. So sometimes I would take like Cozy Gray, and then I would just go at the top just to dust it over that shade. So it's not too warm tone, you know, we like to add a little bit to balance the whole makeup look. And then we're gonna end up with the black everywhere. I was like, oh, it's gonna be a soft little makeup look, and then it just ends up being like a full-on crazy smoky goodness. I'm like, I need to clean this up. And yeah, sometimes I use my finger. I just put this and I'm like, just drag. Depending on the foundation that I have on my face. I know it's kind of weird, but it did like clean up the side, and that looks so much better. I know it's weird. Don't judge me. You can, because I don't really care, but you know, that's another thing. And then the star of the show, we want to go in. Ooh, I kind of like this smoky eye kind of idea look, cute. We want to go into Les Artistes. Les Artistes. That's in French anyways. Because it's called like LES artists. Is it even written in French? Yeah. So weird. And sometimes you're gonna catch me be like, I'm cleaning my brush because sometimes I need a brush and it's not clean. I know, okay, I don't clean my brushes all the time because I don't want to damage them. We need this silvery goodness for the holidays, and we are doing a very soft crease. Cut crease. We're not cutting the crease. We're doing a soft crease. These colors would have been so pretty as a halo eye. I'm just imagining it right now. I'm like, ooh, it would be really pretty. You know what? Okay, I am such a weirdo compared to this. Like, I feel like I like sparkly things, but I really like non-sparkly things. And it's just, I don't know. I did my makeup so many years. So like for so long without putting any, you know, glitters or anything. So almost putting glitters on my eyes is just such a weird feeling. Like I look at it, I'm like, I'm not sure. And then I take this brush and I just blend it out like that. Adding a little bit more because we want this whole thing to be blended. And it looks weird, okay, because I don't have any, I think I'm judging it because I don't have any eyelashes at the moment. That's what it's missing, eyelashes. And now for the reveal, I think I need to put something under my lashes. I'm gonna go straight away with the dark eyeshadow and just... And then the thing that I wanted to try, okay, that I stopped to do something else, is I wanted to put the shade Shroom right in the inner corner, which it's pretty bright, okay? So I wanted to put that shade like under my brow bone, in the inner corner. So it's that shade right here that I'm talking about. It is very light compared to this one. Even though it doesn't look that much, it is quite different. And then going with a teeny tiny brush. And then it kind of opens up the eye. As you can see, like it gives a little bit of luminosity to the eye. It is so different than if I just kept it like that. If I kept it like that, it feels like the eye is not complete, you know? And then you add that light eyeshadow that goes under the eye as well. And it just opens up everything. Because now I felt like my eye was kind of closing, which that's not what I want. Even if I do a smoky eye, I don't want teeny tiny eyes. I like to have big, open, beautiful eyes, whether or not it is sexy or not. Under the brow bone. Taking back my tiny brush, and then I'm just gonna blend that into the matte eyeshadow. And the reason why I do this is because with the shimmery eyeshadow, there's kind of little lines that I don't like, and this is just gonna help blend everything and makes everything look more flawless. All right, so I want to finish off my eye look before I do anything else, of course. And I have these. I absolutely love these so much. But the thing is, okay, I left them on my table. My cat snuck into my room, and look at what she did. She ate a piece of my magnetic eyelashes. I could just stick it back on, you know, the magnet is still on there. It's just so annoying. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to buy some more. And it is just the worst feeling in the world to have some lashes just stripped away from you by your cat. I'm like, I don't want to deal with that. Like this. And I wanted to put my mascara before I put anything else. I know I'm weird. Sometimes I go backwards. I go the other way. I change my steps in my makeup routine. Some eyeliner, and I'm not doing like a wing. I'm just prepping for the lashes. While this is drying, I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. And time for this Glamnetic lashes. Ooh, oh my god, these lashes are just everything. They are so pretty, and I am so frustrated that my cat ate a piece of it. All right, so now we are missing kind of like the rest of the face. Yes, so I was thinking of going into that one because this is a taupe shade that's going to be perfect for kind of like contour, bronzer, tantour, anything that you know, we want to do because it is not too warm and it's going to fit with my whole cool tone vibes. Taking a little tiny brush like this, I really want to be precise with my application. This one, I'm not going too much into it because I realized real quickly that this is just really pigmented. What is happening? I'm having like black eyeshadow everywhere. Oh my god, this on my brush? No. It doesn't look like there's any here. What's going on? It's okay, I'm gonna have some black eyeshadow on my face. So, the thing is, the other day, probably a while ago, I broke my black eyeshadow, and it is an endless story. It's like when you know, there's a pot of glitter somewhere that just falls. It's never ending. It's the same thing if you break a black eyeshadow. It will always be there with you. Even if you clean 3-4 times, it's never going to be gone. So, oh my god, is there... Ugh. Black is just never ending. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to put is a blush, which I'm going to be more careful when I'm putting something on my face now. Because I think there's black eyeshadow like all around the edges, and I want to put this one, which is more on the cooler tone than this one. Of course, it's not like very cool tone. Like, it's not, ooh, like this is cold to my heart. No, it's just a little bit more blue in it. I feel like it's gonna fit better with what's happening. I don't like very cool blushes anyways. I don't feel like they suit me that much. I don't know if that makes sense. Hopefully there's no black on this now. And we're adding a little bit of color to our cheeks. And then after applying the blush and everything, I'm gonna go with this highlighter. I've been really loving this highlighter, Soft and Gentle and Mineralized Skin Finish. It's honestly so pretty. Even though it's like a more natural highlighter, I can build it up and it just looks absolutely stunning. I just love how it goes on the skin. So I'm just gonna... It's like the perfect... It's not too pink. It's not too golden. It's really the perfect shade. Ooh, cute. So then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put my lip because I'm going to do another video. So I'm going to go prep my lip, do it, and then I'll be right back because the whole thing, I think I'm going to put a red lip because it's going to be super pretty. But I do want to do other content with it. So maybe it's going to come out very good. We'll see what happens with that. But I'll be right back with my full lip on and I'll show you what it is. Alright, you guys, so this is the perfect red lip for this makeup look. It's so cute. Let me just check again. It gives like a very powder kissy vibe, and I feel like I could have pulled off any lip with this, especially a very light one. I feel like it would have been beautiful with the eye makeup look. It would have been just amazing. But we went for a red lip because why not? Red lips for the holidays is a staple. It is a statement, and we are here for it. So anyways, that is the makeup look for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to like the video, to comment down below what you think about all of these combinations together, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.